Do you want to make your data stand out in presentations, reports, or social media? With this AI tool I'm gonna introduce, you can transform basic text into stunning visuals instantly. Whether it's for industry reports, presentations, or even study guides, this tool can help you create high-quality visuals in seconds. Let me introduce you the Napkin AI, and it's an incredible user-friendly AI tool that turns simple text into professional visuals in just seconds. Whether you are summarizing data, creating training materials, or preparing presentations, Napkin AI helps you get polished visuals without needing design skills. If you are new to Napkin, you will want to create an account first. Just head to the napkin.ai and create an account. Once you are signed up, you will be able to explore Napkin's features and start creating right away. And today, I will be using the key insights from my industry report to show you how it works. But remember, this tool is flexible enough for any type of content and projects. You can use it to make sales presentations, team updates, social media graphics, or even add some flair to your personal projects. Now, let's dive into the first step. But before you get started, you need to select the content you would like to turn into visuals. And the goal here is to find key insights or bullet points that will make your visuals informative and engaging. I will copy the key insights from my industry report on AI trends, but you can use anything that's relevant to your needs, such as summaries, bullet points, or high-level data. They work perfectly in Napkin AI. If you are working on a presentation, you might choose key statistics or brief summaries. Or if it's a training document, you can select the main points of each section. And the idea is to use concise, focused text. So think about what you would want to convey visually without extra clutter. Choosing clear and organized content will generate the best visuals in Napkin AI. So you should take a moment to pick out the essentials, as they will shape how effective and polished your final graphics look. Now that we've chosen the content we want to visualize, let's paste it into Napkin AI. This part is super simple and gives you two options to get started. You can either paste your text directly into Napkin AI, or you can ask AI to create a draft for you. For our demo, I will paste a segment from our AI industry report. I'm pasting a few key points about AI trends directly into this input box. Once your content is in, simply look for the Generate Visual button or lightning symbol. And now we're going to turn these plain words into visuals that really pop. All it takes is just one click. Seriously, one click. And look at that. We've got an entire lineup of visuals to choose from. Like we're at a graphic buffet. Flow charts, quadrant diagrams, they're all here, ready to make your data look a whole lot more exciting than plain text. I think I like this one better. You can also choose different styles for the charts and diagrams, such as colors, different styles for the lines, and also different shapes for the diagram. Maybe you want this visual to match your brand, or just want to add some personal touch. Well, you can do that, and you can download the graphic right away. You can also change the text inside the charts and diagrams if you don't like how it summarizes your content or if it's incorrect. Just click on the text, type your update. And if you don't like the icon it created, you can double click the icon and click the lightning symbol again to replace the icon with different ones. You can even resize and move elements around, which is very flexible. So this AI tool gives you the freedom to personalize each visuals, so it's perfectly fit into any projects or content. After you've got the visuals you like, you can click the download icon to export the graphics. You've got three options here: PNG, PDF, and SVG file. Each one is tailored for different use cases. For example, a PNG is great for if you are posting on social media or adding visuals to a website. But if you are putting together a report or want something high quality for printing, you can go with PDF. And for scalable graphics, like if you are building a big presentation, SVG is your best friend. It will keep your visual crisp and clear, no matter how large you make it. You can also customize the background color as white or black, or transparent. And you can adjust the resolution as well. So just pick what works for you, hit the download button, and your visual is ready to shine in your project. Now, you should have a better understanding of how this AI tool can help you with your projects and how flexible it is. Also, this AI tool is not just for creating industry reports or business visuals. It's designed to adapt to practically any type of project. For example, if you're an educator, you could use Napkin AI to create visuals for lesson plans and make complex topics easier to grasp for your students. Or if you are a marketer, you can use this tool to create graphics perfectly for eye-catching social media posts to give your content that extra edge. So whether you are organizing a team project, making a quick reference guide, or visualizing a personal project, this AI tool can help you communicate ideas clearly and visually. I encourage you to try Napkin AI and experiment with different styles and text inputs and see how it can save you time on your next project. You can try out various chart types and layouts to see what resonates most with your needs. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more AI productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.